Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a new pair of Onitsuka Tiger Mexico 66. And as always, we start with the unboxing. I would like to remind that my sizes are 41 in Reebok and Nike, Jordan the same, and in this Onitsuka Tiger 41.5 is 8 in US, so it's true to size to me. I always have been a big fan of this model from this brand, and I do have big hopes for this pair of sneakers. I would like to point out that this colorway, this smoke green amber, is a bit lighter on real life. On the webpage it looks a bit more darker than actually is. This is a classic silhouette from Onitsuka Tiger. I'm sure everybody knows it by now. Some of you already had multiple pairs of sneakers from this model. On the tongue we can see that they have the logo made with textile material. I always liked this leather from this model. It's very soft, very plush and good quality, of course. They do have a rubber sole that has a good grip and good quality overall. These sneakers, they have a very good glue on them. They always last me 3, 4, 5 years without any issues. Never had a sole to came off from them. On the interior they have some lining on the tongue, which gives them very good comfort. Here you can see the second pair of these sneakers. They have a good quality overall, no issues, they are well made. The insoles, they cannot be removed, and they have one thing that I like it very much, and that is arch support. I really like this thing on sneakers. Inside they are lined with nylon material and some textile material. I would like to add that this is the shape of my feet, and that's why for me it's very important to have some arch support. Here we can see a quick comparison with other colorway. This one is Winter Sea Wood, just to see a bit the weight of them. Having them on my feet, my first impression is that they are a bit more snug than other colorways. But I know that this might change with just a short period of breaking time. Maybe half an hour or an hour will be enough to take the shape of your feet better. Here we have some on-fit shots from a lower angle. Pros and cons. Pros, first I would say the price is 90 euros here in Spain, $95 in US, so it has a fair price in my opinion. Different colorways may be sometimes on sale in different online stores. You can find them on 35, 45 euros, and that is very inexpensive, so great price for them. Other thing that I like it on this model is that they have plenty colorways. You'll always be able to find something that it will fit to your style. They are very lightweight. Being a leather sneaker, they are the lightest that I found it till date. The comfort. You've seen my shape of my feet, and in this case with these sneakers, they are almost perfect for my feet. They last very well, 3, 4, 5 years without any issues. Never had a sole to came off from them. Now cons. We don't have too many in this case. If it's something which I didn't like it too much was the laces are a bit more short in comparison with other colorways and might not be for everyone's taste. I wish they were having some wax on them, and I wish they were look more like the Lux model. Those from the Lux model, they are a bit more thinner and they have some wax. They feel great, to be honest. Another thing, this is not a con, it's just something that I wish in the future for them. I would like to see some discrete reflective material just to add a bit more visibility during night. So my final thoughts, you should buy them or not? Well, if you don't have very wide feet and it doesn't bother you that they have a bit short laces, buy them. Why not? They are cool. I like them. I buy them all the time in different colors. I have few of them now, few pairs, and I keep buying them. And some extra shots with them. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time, and please don't forget to subscribe.